Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Another narration of Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, narrated by Hadrat Aisha radiyallahu ta'ala anha, the mother of faithful believers. Al-Haris bin Hisham asked Allah's Apostle, O Allah's Apostle, how is the divine inspiration revealed to you? Allah's Apostle replied, sometimes it is revealed like the ringing of a bell. This form of inspiration is the hardest of all, and then this state passes off after I have grasped what is inspired. Sometimes the angel comes in the form of a man and talks to me, and I grasp whatever he says. Aisha added, verily I saw the Prophet being inspired divinely on a very cold day, and noticed the sweat dropping from his forehead as the inspiration was over. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 2, the Book of Revelation. Status Sahi.